Hello, everyone. It's another Throwback Thursday idea. Yay! I am so excited to share my ideas with you and I hope I inspire you. I would love if you would like and subscribe to my channel. It would be so greatly appreciated. It would help me get noticed more and get my videos out there. And I'm really trying to reach 500. So that would be good. So if you can do that, great. Now, I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and if you see things here that you like and don't have a demonstrator, I would love to help you out. With that, I'm going to let you know that I am using a retired set, a current set with retired paper, and they weren't put together in any form. So join me in the studio and I'll show you how. For today's card, I'm going to use Season of Chic only for the sentiment, and I'm using Wishing You the Best Birthday Ever. And the reason I chose that one is it fit in my space that I needed. I am then using what is this one called? Rings of Love. And this is the paper I'm using specifically. I love those little birds. They're so cute. All right, now, I'm going to do this in stages because I have to show you how to do this. This is an idea that I saw, and I saved one to show you how to do it. But what I'm going to do is these are going to go on like so, and I've taken the corner and left it open or folded it back for my sentiment to go in here. Lay out your paper first. I did not do this, and I folded some of mine wrong, so I'll just make sure it sticks down well. So lay out your paper first so you know which corner you have to do. This is the corner that I have to fold. So I got a tip for you, and what I need to do is I need to mark over, and I'm going to use my 2-inch mark because it's easier to see. I divided, I'm going to mark it at 3/4 of an inch on the top, and then I'm folding it down, so I've got to mark it 3/4 of an inch on the side. All right, so let me mark that. So there's my 2 marks. Now, here's the tip. You're thinking, how are you going to do this? Well, I thought, well, I could score it. No. So what I did is I put my finger here and I bent that up. I put my fingernail here and bent that up. And then it just I kind of used my fingers and bent it up. And that's how it worked. All right, now, I will tell you, this needs to lay down a little bit better. So I'm going to take my bone folder and give it a good burnish. I haven't done it for these. All right. The colors that I got for my paper, for my background and all, came from, all right, now I got to get these put back together the right way. The pattern paper. This is mint macaron, so that's there. And then my next layer is navy, and it's on a piece of white. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put these down, and I'm going to start in the corner. But if you lay them out, it's a lot easier to do. Let me pull this down a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm kind of leaving the same amount of space as best I can. All right. Now, I'm going to make sure that there's some glue on that one because that's one I folded wrong. I'm just going to set this here. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put glue on all of these so that I can put them down fairly quickly. Spacing is the key. All right. So then this one, this one goes here. And you know, if you've got too much space at the top, you can always cut it off, but it doesn't look like I'm going to have it. Woohoo! All right, now just watch your sides, match them up so that they're fairly even, and then your top and your bottom piece. All right, now I'm going to stamp my sentiment right in here. And I am using Night of Navy because it would show up on here. So I'm going to stamp this right in the middle. I will tell you, this is better if you use a photopolymer stamp because you can see where you're stamping. Unless you have a really tiny rubber stamp. This goes on here next. And I am not using any ribbon or embellishments on this one because it's, all right, I'm watching to see. It's got plenty of stuff going on with the way the paper is folded. And I love this idea. I think it's a great way to use your pattern paper, and it showcases both sides. And when I went looking for my paper, I specifically chose this one because I liked the back side of this. All right, so there it is. And there's the card. Isn't it cute? I just love it. Looks like I'm off a little bit on one of these, but you know what? Nobody will notice it because it's just so cute, and that paper is perfect. It pulls out the light blue in the bird. I hope you enjoyed today's Throwback Thursday idea. Remember, I only have 5 kits. So if you want one of these, use the link below and order yours today. $5 for 2 cards, includes shipping. Such a deal. Don't miss out. Have a great day. Bye.